We are at the James Lee Community Center here in Fairfax County, and we are celebrating the English Empowerment Center's annual recognition ceremony. And this is our first one with our new name, as we are formerly known as the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia. So today we recognize our learners, our volunteers, and our community partners for all the work that we've done together and accomplished this past year. So our students take our classes for a semester at a time, sometimes for many semesters in a row, where they are learning English. These are adults whose English is at the 6th grade level or below, so we are really that first place that you'd come to when you come to this country to take English classes. We offer classes both in person at community centers, at libraries, at religious institutions and schools, both in person as well as virtually. We have several partnerships with various organizations within the county. First of all, we are so fortunate to be able to have our office space as well as classroom space right here in the James Lee Community Center here in Falls Church. We also work with a variety of different departments that always include us with a seat at the table as we think through what are the needs of our population. And we are constantly sharing information back and forth to make sure that we develop programs that are effective and efficient and affordable.
I recommend the English Empowerment Center to anyone looking to improve their communication skill and writing in English. Thank you.
We believe that learning English changes lives. It is really the key to be able to speak to your doctor and share your symptoms. It's the key to be able to talk to a supervisor or apply for a job. It's the key to understand what your child is going through in school. And so by teaching our students English and also encouraging them to participate in the community, we feel very strongly that we are empowering them to have better lives for them and their families to thrive and achieve their goals.